One of the things that has come with previous versions of AutoCAD, if we go into the start menu, is that you see where it says My Insights. And there are, times when I teach AutoCAD, I run into, what does this do? Why do we have this? Why is it, information about what I do with AutoCAD? It gives you sort of the overall picture of how you are using or how you're spending your time using AutoCAD. And maybe perhaps this is not something that matters for some of us. Maybe, it's just, the type of commands that you're using. Perhaps it's, the personalized tips that it had. Notice it says, hey, have you tried this? Or, hey, feature recommendation. All of these come from the tool Insight, where it's basically reviewing sort of how you are using AutoCAD, and it's just making those suggestions. So, it's not intrusive because you navigate to it and you click on this and then you can go. It doesn't really just pop up on your screen and say, hey, but it allows you to kind of that flexibility to kind of review it at your own time. But some of the enhancement that they did with the activity or the insight is something called activity insight, which is really cool for those that are using the Autodesk dock or even Microsoft OneDrive. When you save your drawings, one of the things is I'm going to do a save as just to show you how do you save to your environment for the Autodesk docs. There's a folder that automatically gets created, and you can start saving it there. You can also, push these up to the cloud. So if you go to the collaborate, there's push to the docs. This really pushes up a markup, which we'll be going through. But we're able to save our files up to the Autodesk doc, and we get things like versions. We get things like, comparison between it with this new activity insight. Now, what I like this so much that I actually right clicked and I created this as a quick access button that I can get to because it's really nifty. When you click on this, it brings up a tool palette. And, it might take a little bit of screen real estate, but you can always auto hide it using this button right here so that it disappears when you don't need it, and you can cover over it and it brings it back. But I like it. It is really nice. It gives me basically all the edits that I have done since this file has been saved up to my Autodesk doc